Section 1. Introduction. Things are heating up. Have you ever noticed that things change size when the temperature changes? I'm not talking about your winter coat making you look bigger. I'm talking about how matter itself expands when heated and contracts when cooled. It's happening all around us, and it's a pretty big deal. This phenomenon is called thermal expansion. It's why bridges have expansion joints, power lines sag in the summer, and thermometers work. Without understanding thermal expansion, we wouldn't have a lot of the technology we rely on today. So let's explore the fascinating world of heat's hidden powers, and see how expansion and contraction affect solids, liquids, and gases. Section 2. Solids, growing pains and shrinking fits. You know how sidewalks have cracks built into them? Or how railroad tracks have gaps between the rails? That's all thanks to thermal expansion. When solids get hot, their molecules jiggle around more, needing more space, and the solid expands. When they cool down, the molecules calm down, need less space, and the solid contracts. One cool application of this is the bimetallic strip. It's made of two different metals joined together. Because the metals expand at different rates, the strip bends when heated. We use this in thermostats to regulate temperature automatically. Pretty neat, huh? Think about it. Bridges, buildings, even your smartphone. They all experience expansion and contraction due to temperature changes. Section 3. Liquids. The curious case of water. Liquids expand and contract too, just like solids. But water, our good friend H2O, acts a bit differently. Normally things shrink when they get colder. But when water freezes into ice, it actually expands. This is why ice floats on water. It's also why we have potholes. Water seeps into cracks, freezes, expands, and cracks the pavement. Amazing, right? This unusual behavior of water is vital for life on Earth. It allows fish to survive in frozen lakes and helps regulate our planet's temperature. Who knew water could be so complex? So remember, liquids expand and contract, but water does its own thing, and we're lucky it does. Section 4. Air, taking up space. Ever wonder why a balloon expands when you blow it up? That's because gases expand even more than solids or liquids when heated. Their molecules are zipping around, bouncing off each other, and taking up a lot of space. That's how hot air balloons work. The air inside gets heated, expands, becomes less dense than the surrounding air, and up it goes. The same principle applies to the air in your tires. It expands in the summer heat, so you need to check the pressure. Remember, gases are all about movement and space. Understanding how they expand and contract helps us use them in amazing ways. Section 5. Conclusion: heat's amazing impact. We've seen how heat can make things grow or shrink, from bridges to balloons to water itself. Thermal expansion is a powerful force that shapes our world in countless ways. So next time you see a crack in the sidewalk or feel the air in your tires, remember the amazing power of heat. It's a reminder that even the smallest changes in temperature can have a big impact on the things around us. And if you want to learn more about the science behind everyday phenomena, make sure to follow WANA Educational Services and join Teacher Ivan's online class, Science Rules.